गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास 10। आज हमें प्रैक्टिकल करना है और हमारा प्रैक्टिकल है प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एसिड एंड बेस। सो हमने क्या करना है, सबसे पहले हम एसिड के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, एसिड की प्रॉपर्टी को टेस्ट करेंगे। तो हमारे पास क्या है, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, जिंक ग्रैनुअल्स, ये क्या है, इट इज जिंक ग्रैनुअल्स, लिटमस पेपर रेड एंड लिटमस पेपर ब्लू, स्टैंड, टेस्ट ट्यूब स्टैंड एंड टेस्ट ट्यूब। तो आज का हमारा जो एक्सपेरिमेंट है उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, टू टेस्ट द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एसिड एंड बेस। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें किसके बारे में करना है, एसिड के बारे में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। हमने एसिड के बारे में क्या पढ़ा कि एसिड आर दो सबस्टांस दैट प्रोड्यूस H+ आयन आफ्टर डिजॉल्विंग इन वाटर। सो this one is water. I have kept some amount of water in a test tube. Now second thing we have studied that acid change blue litmus paper into red. जब blue क्या करता है, red में change करता है. So we need some amount of acid in a test tube. It is hydrochloric acid and you should use it very carefully, as you know it is very corrosive in nature. This one is hydrochloric acid and is concentrated. So whenever you will do the experiment, you have to make it dilute. So third is when acid and base react together, it produces salt and water. So we have to observe all those things. First of all, we need one more substance, that is test tube holder. We need a test tube holder also. So first of all we have to take 10 ml of dilute. It is concentrated. To make what we have to do, we can't put water into acid because it will splish out and it can burn our face. So we have to put some amount of, we have to take some amount of water and pour some amount of acid into it. Now it become dilute and it produces H+ ion. Let's see. So first we have to take to see the change of color of litmus paper. It is blue litmus paper, is it? Now put some amount of acid on it. Hey guys, watch. Its color totally changed into red. Okay. So what we have seen, the acid changed the color of blue litmus into red. Next, acid, when acid react with any metal, it produces hydrogen gas? Is it? Let's see. So this is zinc granule. Zinc is a metal, as you know. So put some amount of zinc into acid. It is now concentrated because I have mixed it into the water. And see, a small amount of bubbles started to form. Are you observing it? Is it? And the gas is coming outside. It is, this one is hydrogen gas. So what we have seen, when metal react with acid, it produces hydrogen gas. How can we say it? Let's burn a matchstick. Okay? So what we have observed? Some small bubbles start to come out from the test tube. Let's see, is it hydrogen gas or not? So we need a matchstick. We need a matchstick. Now burn the matchstick in front of. Now we have to burn this matchstick in front of this test tube. What we see? Puff sound. It produces puff sound. Sometimes it also catch fire. So beware whenever you do practicals. Again I am going to show you the sound. That is puff sound. Puff sound means it contains hydrogen gas. And you already know the puff sound shows that hydrogen gas get produced. So what we seen, when zinc react with acid, it produces hydrogen gas and salt. So when you observe the zinc become blackish. It become totally blackish. Let's see, when we put it into the china dish. We see that the zinc change into totally black. The actual color of zinc is silver, but now after the reaction it changed totally black because it formed zinc chloride. Okay.